Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the model and device info of Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog. In settings, tap About. Scroll down to see the model number, MAC address and other device info. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.